will swear! I will swear
that if what your daughter said about the death of her family is true, but the great deity Okuku, strike me dead!
He was innocent. You framed him up.
How did you know that?
If you could kill my father, there is nothing you cannot do.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Do not ever touch my money and give it to anybody for any reason without letting me know.
Ego, what is your problem? Do you realize I'm older than you? You are comparing my influential mother to your rag self. You will regret this action. I promise you, you will regret this.
I already regret having anything to do with you.
Who is she?
And you keep behaving like a mad dog.
You are a randy he-goat, and it is unbefitting of a gentleman like you.
Witchy! You see spirit, I'm not friend with them.
And your generation, they mad.
Are you not an irresponsible idiot? You must be out of your mind. Look at this blatant he-goat.
Bros, if you ever think of putting a ring of Fiona's finger, please get yourself another best man.
Every time you know one die, you are alive, you know get money. Who you want impressed?
Or will I continue servicing palm kernel tree that all the palm kernel has finished?
Now.